In this video, we will show how the built-in diagnostics work. We're using a blank project with a valid controller reference. The controller icon appears on the banner. Touch the diagnostics icon to get more details. The yellow triangle next to controller mode indicates a warning. Notice the yellow triangles show in several locations. Looks like the controller is in program mode. Changing to remote program does not resolve the warnings. Changing the controller to run mode resolves the warning and all yellow triangles disappear. Close the window by touching the X. We're back to our initial screen. Now let's disconnect the Ethernet cable from the panel view. This time, the network icon appears on the banner. Touch the diagnostics icon to get more details. A red circle next to disconnected state indicates an error. Notice there is also a warning for DLR is broken. Reconnecting the cable resolves the issue and all icons disappear. Close the window by clicking the X.